Teen on the run after allegedly fatally stabbing his 21-year-old brother. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 17-year-old youth is on the run and is being sought by the police in relation to the stabbing death of his 21-year-old brother during a domestic dispute on Saturday morning. The incident reportedly took place in the community of Torspen in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The victim has been identified as Alex Brissett, a resident of Torspen. The police have not named the brother but have appealed to him to turn himself in to the police. According to reports, sometime after 11 a.m., Brissett and his brother had a dispute during which a knife was brought into play and Brissett was stabbed. He collapsed. He was rushed to the nearby hospital where he succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. The police have since launched a manhunt for the sibling. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.